Hey everybody. If you want to turn off the send message sound in your WhatsApp on your Android device and you're looking for how to do so, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, you can go to your settings of your WhatsApp, start by opening up the WhatsApp app. And once you access your WhatsApp app, you can look out for the three dot menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And that should give you a drop down menu. Now you need to select the option of notifications from here once you tap on settings. And from here, scroll down and go to the section of notifications and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on notifications here, you should be finding different kind of notification sounds available, tones and different notification settings available. Now, if you want to turn off the send message sound, you need to go ahead and look out for this option called conversation tones. So find it up in the very top near, usually in the very near at the very top first option. So you just need to find this option right here and you just need to toggle this slider next to the conversation tones to the off position by tapping on it like this, and that will basically turn off the send message. Now when you head back and go to any other chat and type in the message, the sound won't be coming, and that is how you do it. So if you'd also like to turn off the send message sound in WhatsApp on Android, it is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.